Hi, everyone. As we look at our headlines here, we have this Gulf low that continues to trigger rounds of showers for us. Waves of rain tonight and into the day tomorrow. Widespread precipitation with this deepening coastal low. But we do have a low flash flood risk. That's the good news, is we're not really reaching the parameters to be too concerned about that. We'll keep you posted if that changes. But cool temperatures ahead with a stretch of 60s for much of this week. It'll be maybe tough to get into the 70s. We have one chance maybe this later part of the week, but then that's about it. So not too much warmer ahead. We do have our low temperatures down into the 50s with widespread showers anticipated, and rain continues into tomorrow, heavy at times. We do have those wind gusts too to consider, as we do have the wind gust projections at over 25 miles per hour at times, with the winds coming out of the east and northeast. So this will continue to pump the region in with that moisture again from this low and a stalled front, and a little bit breezy to boot. Our morning lows down to 48 degrees. Our afternoon high temperatures tomorrow will be struggling to make it past 57, as we do have the clouds and the rain inhibiting warming. Now, this low pressure system is something that we've been highlighting this week. It's a deepening coastal low, not a cyclone threat by any means, but it is going to be tapping into rich tropical moisture and sets us up with widespread showers here in Mississippi. And for us, these are beneficial rains, as the region, of course, is still under an extreme and in some cases even exceptional drought. So that we could really use this precipitation. And we continue to see showers looking heavy at times for the overnight time frame. And then for tomorrow, still some areas of precipitation, but the heavier stuff and more widespread rains track out to our south and east by our Thursday. As we do see that low gradually meandering its way eastward into the Florida Panhandle region. We do have our amounts here at over an inch for some of our southern communities especially, and out into the eastern tier where we have some of the higher totals projected. Lesser amounts the more north and northwest you get, farther away from the coastal low. 48 degrees for tonight with rain anticipated. The good news is that we're not too worried about severe weather, nor are we too concerned with flash flooding. But this will be a good dose of rain as wet conditions persist into the day tomorrow. 57 degrees with showers expected throughout the course of the day and breezy at times. Very cool conditions, given that the clouds and the rain will make it tough to really warm up. But we've got rain throughout the course of the day, morning and into the afternoon. And again, temperatures mainly in the 50s. In terms of precipitation intensity, just going with a light rain for much of the day tomorrow. So it's overnight that we really see some of the heavier precipitation likely. Still pretty breezy though, with at times gusts to over 25 miles per hour. The extended forecast calling for drying conditions later this week, and a weaker cold front emerges into Friday. This will set us up with cool and dry conditions for the weekend.